What's up? Back at it again out here. So today we're working on the Genie Z boom, and we gotta change this. So what you're gonna check first is when you're changing this, well, not check, but what you're gonna do first is you're gonna clamp this hose, which is coolant, and then you're gonna clamp this hose, which is also coolant. Go ahead and pop this hose off, you'll be all right. You have this hose up here that connects to this that goes in, which is going to be your propane that comes through there. So make sure you don't have it full of pressure and all that good stuff. Pops out right at the top, it just unbolts. Then once you get these clamped off, you can loosen up your hose clamps, and you won't make a ginormous mess everywhere, and you'll save your coolant. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. Pop these clamps off. That'll make it a lot easier going back together. No coolant wasted, no mess on the ground, and just, you know, easy peasy. Smooth sailing. Let's see. That one's being a little tight still. Let's get her a little more loose. There we go. Just a little tiny bit of fluid on the ground. Be all right. Wipe it up in a second. Let's get this other hose off. It's a lot easier to do it this way and clamp the hoses if you're out in the field anyways. I mean, if you're in the shop, you can go ahead and just put a good drain bucket down there and just let her drain if you want, if you had a mind to. I don't like to waste anything, so I try to do everything and keep as much good as I can. This one might be easier to unhook once I get this unbolted. Oh, I got caught up right there. So we'll get these unbolted real quick. Pop this off and bring it towards me. That way I can get to this bib up here better. And then pop that off. And I believe we're gonna need all these. So we'll pop these little clips out right here, and we'll install them in the new one. So yeah, let me go grab the wrench real quick to get this off. We'll get it down. I'll give you guys a better look. All right, so now that we have the new one right here, the old one's all the way out. So we're gonna check this right here. It's pretty simple. You got these little clips that hold these in. So I'm gonna show you on this one how to get it out easily. It's real simple. You just pop it up and pull it out just like that. And your little clip comes right out. Then you just take your little bib and you just wiggle, pop it out. It's got a nice little O-ring in there. Gotta remember the orientation. So if this is upside down, and it was pointed down like that. So when you just come over here to your new one, comes with the new clip. It's the same thing, just literally pop it up, slide it right out. They come out really easily. And then just take your bib, wiggle, get it to pop in there. Should be through its little hole right there, and pop it up over that ledge and push in. And it just pushes right in, goes in its little hole. And then now, what it looks like we need to take off next is the little mounts on the bottom. Looks like I might be able to just grab it with a pair of pliers and turn them off. Let's see. One second. Nope. Okay. Well, yes, they do come off like that. This one was old and just broke in half. So we got one mount. I'm gonna have to go ahead and order a new mount. We'll get it mounted up with one for now. It needs to screw right into the bottom like that. So that was upside down, it goes the other way. So this one goes in. Screw it all the way up in there. and you are good to go. And then what you're gonna look at when it goes back up is pay attention like this to the orientation. So we want to get this hose back in there, just like that. Set it down in this little hop at home, and we'll put it down like that. Grab a little nut right here. Get her tightened up in there. Nice. It's gonna be a little wobbly for a second due to not having that other mount. Might put a zip tie or something around it just to hold it. Customer's done with the unit anyways, so it's going back. At least this is done now, so when it gets back to the shop, I'll just have that mount ordered up, and then it'll come in and it'll be ready for the guys. So, because I mean they're rubber mounted anyways. So, and then this hose went on the bottom. You turn this one up to the top. Let's push this hose back on the bottom. Take your other hose right here. Kind of goes in like that. Push it up on its little happy home. Just like that. And then obviously you just tighten down these hose clamps. But we're gonna take this piece right here. This one screws into the top. So we'll get this one in. And get into the top where it goes. I don't want to wrap that wire around it. So get this one all nice and tight. And then your hose goes on right here. Get our hose clamps tightened. Probably easier with the nut driver, just saying. But you know, if you watch my videos, I'm always using the most redneck tools you can find. And I tend to like to do things the more difficult way, I guess you could say. But it is what it is. One down, two to go. Two down, one to go. I'll be over here. There it is. Just stuck up on that little lip. Alright, now they're all tight. Go ahead and pull off your clamps. Pull off this clamp. These are really cool mat clamps. I don't know if you guys are familiar, but they lock on. And then your wire that was right here. This plug goes to this plug, just like that. You got it lined up. Oh, I'm backwards. And two hands, hold on. Where did it go? Got it. Bam. So when that's plugged back in, pretty much fired up, tester for leaks. If she ain't leaking, you're good to go. So yeah, there it is. That's the regulator for the propane on a dual fuel Genie Z boom. Hope that was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.